Hello friend, today in this video we will learn how to install WSL on Windows 11. So you have to type here cmd and press enter button. Then you have to type here WSL dash dash status and press enter button. Then here you can clearly see the Windows subsystem for Linux is not installed. It means WSL is not installed in my system. So I have to install it. So just I have to type here WSL dash dash install and press enter button. Then if any permission, then allow it. And you have to wait here. Now you have to close it. Here you can create by default user account. For timing I will close this. And here you have to just type window feature. Then you will get this turn window feature on or off. Simply have to click on this. And you have to ensure that virtual machine platform and Windows subsystem for Linux is checkmarked. Then I will click on the OK button. Okay, so making sure that virtual machine platform and Windows for some system for Linux is enabled here. Now you have to click on restart button. Now let's check that WSL is installed or not. So you have to type here cmd and press enter button. Then you have to type here WSL dash dash status and press enter button. So here you can see the default distribution Ubuntu default version 2. So it means WSL is installed successfully. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the like button.